Today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
北
First, let's learn the pronunciation of this Chinese character.
北波 A 北北北方北方北方冬季会下雪北方冬季会下雪北极北极北极地区中年严寒北极地区中年严寒北京北京北京市中国的首都北京是中国的首都。
Now let's write this Chinese character. When writing this character, be careful not to separate the left and right parts too far apart. It won't look good if they're too spaced out. This character represents a direction in Chinese culture, namely the north. It also means the back or rear. That is why ancient Chinese emperors always sat facing south with their backs to the north. Why? Because China is located in the northern hemisphere, and facing south means facing warmth and sunshine, which symbolizes brightness and imperial power. This stroke is the key to writing this character well. It is written in one continuous move. That's it for today's class. See you next time.